Pwysleisio. Yn yr uned hon, da ni'n mynd I siarad am bwyslais. In this unit, we're going to talk about emphasis. Da chi'n cofio? Do you remember? The normal word order of a sentence in Gymraeg is changed to a specific emphasis on someone or something. The meaning may remain the same in English, but in Gymraeg, the person or object of importance or emphasis is moved to the beginning of the sentence. Er enghraifft, Oliver sy'n eistedd gyda'r flanced. Oliver is sitting with the blanket. The emphasis here is on the fact that Oliver is sitting with the blanket. Gadewch ni ymarfer. Let's practice a few examples. Dedwch ar fy ôl I. Fi sy'n darllen y rheolau. I'm reading the rules. Dafydd sy'n mynd i'r tŷ bach. Dafydd is going to the toilet. Y teulu sy'n ysgrifennu'r cais. The family are writing the application. Da iawn. When talking in the past or future tense, note that there is a treiglad meddal. Felly, yn y gorffennol, in the past, we would say, er enghraifft, fi ddarllenodd y rheolau. I read the rules. Dafydd aeth i'r tŷ bach. Dafydd went to the toilet. Y teulu ysgrifennodd y cais. The family wrote the application. Ac yn y dyfodol, in the future tense, we would say, fi fydd yn darllen y rheolau. I will read the rules. Dafydd fydd yn mynd i'r tŷ bach. Dafydd will go to the toilet. Y teulu fydd yn ysgrifennu'r cais. The family will write the application. Iawn. There is another instance when the subject always comes first yn Gymraeg. It happens when we use the superlative form, or in other words, when we say that something is the best, the worst, the fastest, the tallest, and so on. Edrychwch ar yr enghreifftiau ac ailadroddwch. Look at these examples and repeat after me. Huw ydy'r talaf. Huw is the tallest. Mali ydy'r orau. Mali is the best. And again, the same pattern is used in the past and future tense. Elis oedd y byraf. Elis was the shortest. Seren fydd y dalaf. Seren will be the tallest. Cofiwch, remember, there's a treiglad meddal when referring to a feminine subject after and apostrophe r. Malu ydy'r orau. Seren fydd y dalaf. Yn olaf, lastly, if the normal Welsh word order is changed for emphasis when expressing an opinion, then mai is used for that. Enghraifft, for example, dwi'n credu mai Joseph ydy'r gorau. I think that Joseph is the best. Gadewch i ni ymarfer. Let's practice some more examples in the past and future tense as well as present tense. Dedwch ar fy ôl I. Dwi'n credu mai Nia ydy'r fyraf. I think that Nia is the shortest. Dwi'n credu mai Miss Jones oedd y dalaf. I think that Miss Jones was the tallest. Dwi'n credu mai Aled fydd y gwaetha. I think that Aled will be the worst. Ardderchog. Pob hwyl I chi efo'r gweithgareddau. Cofiwch da chi medru gwylio'r fideo yma eto I adolygu. Good luck with the activities and remember you can watch this video again to revise if you need to.